Bluehost is one of the most popular web hosting providers out there, but before you decide if it's the right fit for your website, there are a few things you need to know. Compared to other hosting providers like SiteGround and HostGator, Bluehost offers a solid option, but it might not be the best fit for everyone. So let's break down the 12 things you should consider before making that decision. First thing you should know is that Bluehost excels in user-friendly features. Setting up your website with Bluehost is incredibly easy, especially if you're a beginner. You can get your website up and running in just a few clicks with their one-click WordPress installation. But if you're looking for more advanced options, you might feel limited compared to other providers that offer more customization. Next thing, Bluehost's pricing might seem attractive at first, with plans starting at just a few dollars per month. However, once you renew your plan, the price can jump significantly, which can be a surprise for long-term users. Other providers, like HostGator, have more consistent pricing, which might be something to consider. The third thing you need to be aware of is Bluehost's customer support. While they offer 24/7 support via live chat and phone, their response times can be slower compared to other companies. When you need immediate help, it might take longer than expected to get a solution. Other hosting providers like SiteGround are known for offering faster support, especially during peak times. Now, the fourth thing is the storage limits. Bluehost's basic plans come with limited storage, and this can be an issue if you plan to scale your site in the future. Other web hosts, like A2 Hosting, offer more storage options, giving you more flexibility to grow without worrying about reaching a cap. The fifth thing is website speed. Bluehost servers are reliable, but you may notice slower page load times compared to competitors like SiteGround. If speed is crucial for your website, especially for e-commerce or high-traffic sites, you may want to look into other options. The sixth thing you should know is their security features. Bluehost offers SSL certificates for free, which is a nice touch, but their security is not as robust as some other providers like WP Engine, which has more advanced security options built in. The seventh thing is that Bluehost has a 30-day money-back guarantee, which gives you the peace of mind to try out their service risk-free. But be aware, the refund policy has some restrictions, especially on certain add-ons like domain names, which are non-refundable. The eighth thing to consider is their uptime. Bluehost boasts a strong uptime, usually around 99.9%, but it's not as reliable as other hosts like SiteGround, which has a track record of higher uptime percentages. If uptime is critical to you, that's something to keep in mind. The ninth thing you should know is the level of scalability Bluehost offers. As your site grows, you'll need more resources, and Bluehost's higher tier plans can handle this, but you might find yourself limited as compared to other hosting providers, like A2 Hosting, which offers more flexibility for scaling. The 10th thing is email hosting. Bluehost includes a free email hosting option, which is a great bonus. However, it's not as feature-rich as some standalone email providers like G Suite, so if email features are essential to you, this might be something to think about. Now, the 11th thing is their website builder. Bluehost offers a simple website builder, which is perfect for beginners, but it's not as advanced as other options like Wix or Squarespace. If you're looking for more design freedom or advanced features, you may want to look elsewhere. The 12th and final thing to keep in mind is the potential for upselling. While Bluehost offers some great introductory pricing, you'll likely encounter various upsells as you navigate their checkout process. This can be annoying if you just want the essentials without extra costs. In conclusion, Bluehost is a solid option for beginners and small to medium websites. It's easy to use, affordable at first, and reliable for most basic needs. But if you want a better option with faster support, more storage, and better scalability, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.